Talent is ready and standing by.
Studio is ready and standing by.
Standing by on all records.
All right, team, we are ready. Have a great show, everyone, and see you on the other side. We are live in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go broadcast.
There is nothing you can't do with Oracle.
We're doing billions of database reads, billions.
Invest in change management.
Business transformation is as important as your product transformation. Don't put your B team on that.
Am I worried about servers? Am I worried about something's going to crash? No. Oracle is taking care of the servers, the network. Oracle is taking care of all the technology.
We rely heavily on partners like Oracle to help us scale so quickly.
We trusted in Oracle that this is a product which actually delivers exactly what we want. It gives us accessibility to data.
The cost savings that came along with it, for us, it was 60%. And, going into it, talking to Oracle Cloud, that's what I was told it would be the case. And we're like, okay, that's way too good to be true. That's not going to happen.
We have flash crowds that come to our events. We can have 100,000 people join in a matter of seconds. And with OCI, we're able to spin up servers in less than 15 seconds.
We've been able to consolidate application, automate key financial workflows, and radically improve on productivity.
And the response that we've had from the guys in the tech support part of Oracle, first class.
Continue to drive innovation.
Do not shortchange the money and the people that you need for change management. It's been a great partnership for sure.
And that's a wrap. Nice job, team. Well done on all fronts.